Hello, my name is Lenny Dutton. I'm a blogger, an author, and of course a teacher. I'm currently the MYP coordinator at the International School of Stuttgart. Now, most schools know the importance of teaching our students life skills or soft skills or ATLs, such as being a great researcher, a great collaborator, having great self-management skills, and we always frame these that we want these skills in our students so they can be successful in the future. But I want my students to be more than successful. I want them to make a positive impact on the world. And this is what my workshop will be focusing on. So my lessons have a big focus on perspective taking, on empathy, on connecting to local and global issues. So my workshop will focus on this. The first session will be about the importance of an empathy-based classroom, and we'll be thinking about what is really worth teaching. The next session will be looking at different resources and tools such as thinking routines that we can use to help our students to gain empathy and different perspectives. And lastly, we'll be working together to create some activities and resources for your students. By the end of the workshop, participants will know the importance of an empathy and perspective-based classroom. I look forward to seeing you soon.